Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to restore deleted Dataverse rows in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CE and how to use recycle bin feature. So the first thing that you will have to do is enable this preview. So firstly, log into Power Platform Admin Center, then click on the environment from here and select the environment in which you are working on. Now click on the settings from here. As you can see the product section, click on the drop down and then select the features from here. And now scroll down. So you will see the recycle bin preview is here. And you can turn on these features from here. So just turn this on for all the Dataverse tables so we cannot pick and choose for which tables we want to enable this. And this is the recovery time interval. It is up to 30 days. So this is setting is actually going to determine up to how many days we will be able to restore these deleted rows. So you can see here I have set here to 30 and then click on the save button. So I have already saved it. Now go back to the settings from here. As you see the data management drop down, click on that and now scroll down. So you will see the view deleted record preview. So click on that. So this is showing you all of deleted record. Now all deleted records, click on drop down. Now as you see there, no other view is here and no ability for me to filter or to add columns to this view. But I kind of wanted to go over some of these columns that you see here. So firstly, as you see, display name is here and this is kind of showing you the table name and the name of the record. And next is the regarding object ID and now deleted object. So this is the actual row that was deleted and now you have deleted by and deleted by delegate. So I am going to tell you the difference between them. So you could actually have configured these cascading roles, right, so that when a record is deleted the related record might also get deleted. So let us think about, right, you can have account record for which you have that cascading relationship configured. So that means that when I delete the account record and other record like contact or opportunity and cases, so all of those will be deleted. So the reason that those are deleted is because of that cascade delete configuration that we might have in the system. So if that happen, you will actually see here that it shows the leaded by and then the actual system account. So you will show you that is second. And the deleted by is really the person that initiated that delete. So if I deleted that account and then the opportunity and the contact, so whatever else was also deleted. And last is the deleted on. So in this we can also see when this particular record was deleted. So you can see over here. Now I am clicking on the display name. Now I am going to inside this deleted record. So this is a deleted object and the total record is visible here. Now going back to the deleted record. Now go back to the Sales Hub application and click on the account entity from here. So first I am creating a new account, then click on the new button. So here I am giving the account name, then giving the phone number. Now I am click on the save button. Now go back to the accounts view. So refresh it. So it is visible here. Now I am selecting this record and then click on the delete button. So now you will see that is not visible in my active account view. So go back to the deleted record. So firstly click on the refresh button. So now it is visible here. So as you can see that the account was deleted. If I click on this record, and then click on the restore button and then click on restore from here. So now test account, it will restore. So now go back to the Sales Hub again and refresh the My Active Account view. So now you will see it is visible here. So click on that. So in this video, we covered how to restore deleted Dataverse rows in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CE using a recycle bin feature. Thanks for watching.